B.3, the last video of today. Exercise questions number 1. For this class, I will frequently give you exercise sessions. So I organize them in order 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our first one. So number 1. Usually, for every regular class, our weekday class, at the end, I will use 10-something minutes to do an exercise session. Here, the first one. In this session, I want to do 2 examples. Let me explain the notations I used here. Because it looks like, pretty complicated. After I explain the meaning, hope you can get used to it. EX1, the set number. Set. Exercise question set 1, 2, 3, 4. So the set number, question set number, EX1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, tomorrow, I will do EX2, and so on. Then Q, question number. The first number is the order number in the current session. Here, this one, the first question in this set, current set. Dot. The second number is the order number in all our exercise questions for the whole class. Global order. The first one is the local order. In the current session, the order number, question order number. The second one, in our all exercise questions for this semester, that global order number. A little complicated, but hope after you understand the structure, so you can get used to it. In that way, we can get some information we need. All right, so let me start the first one. This question, we have a polynomial, but slightly different from our standard way. So here you can see the subsquare 0, 1, the same as our standard one, but the exponent number different, 2, 4, 6, 2n. Even numbers. Here, when we count the number of additions, we use the counting by reference method, right? When you do that, do you associate plus sign with subscript or exponent number? You have 2 options, right? But definitely here, I believe you can easily choose the right one, the subscript one. Should be, because the superscript or exponent number 2, 4, 6 through to n, not consecutive number, right? They are not consecutive numbers. So if you count them, although you can still count them, you can still count them. But when you count them, you need to find the right way to count them, right? You can still count them, but you need to find the right way to count them. But a better way, if you use the subscript way, you get a direct answer because they are consecutive number 1, 2, 3 through n. You do not need to do anything. You can get the answer directly, right? So that's the first simple example. But here, if I modify this question slightly, can you get it? So let me write this another similar question like a2x plus a4x squared plus a6x cubed plus a2n x to the nth. How about that? If I give you this polynomial, how do you do association. Plus sign associated with, this time it looks better to exponent number, right? Because it is a little easier, right? A little consecutive numbers, easier. Yeah. Although you can associate, if you like to associate with the subscript, because they are not consecutive numbers, you need to do another round processing. For example, 2 equals 2 times 1. Okay? 4 equals 2 times 2. Okay? 6 equals 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 3, let me see, 2 times 3. Okay, 2 times 3. And so on, okay? The last one, 2 times n, right? If you only look at the number after the dot operator, they are consecutive numbers. If you count in that way, you're fine. If you count in that way, you're fine. Consecutive numbers, yeah. All right, yeah. So that's the first example. Yeah. The second example, this one. This time, the subscript, superscript, the same, right? Same, but they're not consecutive number, right? You can associate with that, but they're not consecutive number. Yeah. Let me list them. 3, 7, 11, and so on. The last one, 399. Can you see some rule among these numbers? Some rule. The difference is 4, right? 4 difference. 4 difference. So we expect, so the next number, we just add 4 to the current number. You know, the common difference is 4. All right? Yeah. So you can see the first number, we can write 4 times 1 minus 1, right? That's the 3. Second one, 7. 4 times 2. 4 times 2 minus 1, right? The second one. 11. 4 times 3 minus 1, right? Yeah. How about the last one? 4 times 100 minus 1, right? When you do the association, how do you do the association? Yeah. So the first plus sign, you want to do association with the 1 here. The second plus sign, you want to do this association with 2 here. Third one, you want to do association with 3 here. Okay? The last one, you do the association with 100 here. All right? And these numbers are consecutive integers. How many? Easy to count, right? 100. Okay. So you can find the answer counting number of additions in this question in this way, 100. That's the technique, counting by reference. How about that? How about this method? Okay, yeah. Then later, I will give you similar questions in, different places. Okay, yeah, different places. If you understand this technique, hopefully you can find the answer correctly. All right, so let me complete our last video and the whole part B right here.